everybody, and welcome back to my channel. AA4WX here, Ham Shack TV. Hey, just want to let you know first and foremost, thanks for subscribing and clicking the bell and liking these videos. You have helped so much. Last night we hit just over 500 subscribers here on the YouTube channel on Ham Shack TV, and I just want to say thank you so much for your support. If you haven't already, it's quick, easy, and free. Just click the subscribe button down below and you'll be alerted to all the upcoming videos as they come out. Do want to let you know this video is sponsored by Ham Radio Prep. Go to hamradioprep.com. That website is a great resource for learning how to get your license or even learning how to upgrade your license to general or extra class. When you go to hamradioprep.com, use my exclusive coupon code HamShackTV for an extra 10% off at checkout. Again, that's hamradioprep.com with the coupon code HamShackTV. So this video again is about my station setup. This is going to be a two-part video. The first video is going to be about my antennas and how they are set up. The second video will be a tour of my shack. So let's get started. So, pardon the nastiness on the side of my house. I need to do some pressure washing. So I have two antennas up right now. The first one is a copper J-pole. That's used for VHF and UHF. It's technically tuned for VHF. However, it works just fine on UHF as well. The second one there, you see the box hanging from the wall. Kind of looks like a power line, but it's really not. This is actually an antenna. This is the Chameleon TP Lite 2.0. So it's an end-fed half wave. Well, it's a tactical dipole really. So let's talk about what you're seeing here. So you can see the feed point up there. It's going all the way out here into these trees, and we'll follow the line here. I gotta shield my eyes because the sun is bright. But it goes all the way up into this tree, up over that tree, and then comes out of that first tree right there, and then you can see it hits that tree, and then actually just before it hits that second tree, I don't think you can see it on camera really good, but it actually stopped, the feed line stops, and that is paracord. So the paracord hits the peak of that tree, and then I have it guide off right down here, nice and tight, so it gets the maximum amount of height that it can. Then we come back over here. Let me show you the counterpoise that I have going, or radial, whichever way you want to describe it. And folks, again, I'm not the most technical person, so if I'm getting some of my terminologies wrong, let me know in the comments, but please don't be hateful. Just let me know nicely in the comments that I've got something wrong. So back here at the balun, or the transformer, whichever you want to call it, you can see here's our counterpoise. It comes down the side of the house and then goes right along the edge of the foundation of the house. You can't really see it. It's down below the grass. And then right about here, it turns to go to underground. So I used my yard edger, which is also a ditcher as well, and it is buried. The rest of the counterpoise is buried. Comes all the way out through here, and it ends roughly about right here. So that's really about it. Not much to it. And then you see this other pole here. This is an old anemometer for a weather station that I no longer have. Well, I still have it. However, it interfered, my radios interfered with it all the time, so I just took it out of play. And I don't find that the readings were very accurate on it anyway. So one last thing, before we end this video, again, I will show the shack in another video down the road. The last thing I want to show you is my truck setup for mobile. Now I only run VHF and UHF in my truck. Don't have any mobile HF equipment. That's something I thought about doing, but I'm not really in the point in my life that I can really do anything with HF mobile. But you see here we have the Comet dual bander. It's the CA2X, and that's it right there. My truck's a little messy, so bear with me. We get in the truck here, and you can see we have the Yaesu FTM200DR. Great little radio. It's a little bit less expensive than the 500 or the 400 or the 300 for that matter. But honestly, it does everything I want it to do. It does APRS, does Fusion Wires X, it does regular analog. You know, if you want it, it does it. And sorry about the bumpiness in the camera. I just set the tripod up. So that's really about all I've got for you in this particular episode. Again, future I will do a video that will show the inside of my shack. Again, want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the quick growth of this channel. We're 3 weeks in, we've already got over 500 subscribers. So I'm just thrilled, I'm excited, and I'm pumped to keep giving you content. If you have suggestions for comment, please feel free to email me, josh@aa4wx.com, or you can write something in the comments down below. More than happy to talk with you, or whatever we can. We'll try to keep doing some live streams so they become interactive. Working on having some more guests for another live stream. So stick around, that may be coming in the relatively new future. I do have a guest locked down for a live stream, hopefully sometime later this week. It will be a Skywarn centric live stream. So we'll have a good friend of mine on and talk about how we run Skywarn here in my local area. We have a unique way of doing things, and I think it works quite nicely. So we'll have Greg on, and then of course we'll have another video coming up about the inside of my shack. I do want to remind you, if you are looking for ways to support the channel, there are plenty of ways to do that. First and foremost, subscribe to the video. If you click subscribe, it's quick, free, and easy. You'll get notified of future videos. You can join the Discord channel. Let me know if you need an invite to the Discord, because they seem to like to change the link all the time. So that makes it a little difficult. Also, if you are buying anything on Amazon, it doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't have to be ham radio related. It could be, I don't know, grocery stuff. It could be TVs, it could be books, whatever. We have an Amazon affiliate link, which means anything you buy on Amazon, I'll get a little kickback up off of. And don't worry, it doesn't affect your price at all. You'll still pay the same price whatsoever. So down below in the description, you'll see a link for Amazon affiliates. Just click on that and do your shopping that way. Heil Ham Radio, do have some great deals with Heil Ham Radio. Check out their link down below. They offer great audio products. Better Safe Radio, my friend Mark at Better Safe Radio, they offer Walks-On radios and also some other accessories too. Walks-Ons are great radios. They're not the cheap little radios like they had when I first got licensed. These are really, really good radios. So check out Better Safe Radio down below with the coupon code AA4WX7. And let's see here again, Ham Radio Prep. Check out Ham Radio Prep if you or your friends or loved ones or somebody needs to get their ham radio license. Ham Radio Prep's the way to start. Use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get 10% off. What else? Alpha Antenna. If you need an antenna, Alpha's a great place to go. Click on their link down below. So I think I've got all the good stuff covered. I thank you for your support. If you want to support the channel even further, go to patreon.com/HamShackTV. Again, Patreon TV or patreon.com/HamShackTV. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Until next time, I'll see you soon. 73. This is AA4WX WSCB 693.